in cooperation with the Minister of Justice, we have this program of the music art that we have for the inmates them here at MLC. What I see with the music, because they got three type of music. They got DJ, they got lyrics, and they got the rapping. With that, it gives me and the team at MLC a better chance to see them, how they interact, how they behave, and how we could observe them via the music and the art of music. With that, in the beginning, they were so happy that we could have started because it started before and it stopped. And now they at the 7 weeks that they've been doing it, every week it had a little break because of COVID in between, but the guys them improve a lot. And they're looking forward to write music, and some of them sing music internationally. So for me at MLC, seeing them moving from point one to at point B at this moment, it's something that I will encourage to continue for the balance of the program, because not only they singing, they understand themselves and they express themselves through music.
So we're doing an 8-week program where we bring a rap workshop, we bring music engineering, and we bring DJ. We are here for 8 weeks, and we're going to put together a project where the boys get to express themselves, and we work on at least one song per group. We have 3 groups. They rotate between DJ, rapping, and music engineering. In music engineering, they get to record themselves. And in the rapping workshop, they get to write the lyrics. And in the DJ, they get to mix and then also be able to perform, live perform. With that, we want to be able to get them to work together, to be able to self-reflection, to do self-reflection within themselves, but also build their self-esteem. Because when they come in, the first thing they say is, oh, I can't rap, or oh, I can't DJ, or oh, I can't produce, oh, I don't want to do that. And then after going through the 8 weeks, you see that they get every week, they get a little bit more and more and more comfortable. And that is for me the beauty in the program, the beauty in what we are trying to accomplish. So we are hoping, well, I'm hoping that we can continue this and bring it on a longer time and a wider scale, that we can bring in different disciplines and stuff like that in here in Miss Lalie's Center.